This exercise has already covered all the points, so try to complete it using your own ideas. To draw this sketch, I'll place the origin here and start sketching from this point. So I enter sketch mode on the front plane and begin drawing using the line tool. To fully define it, I set a 45-degree angle in lengths of 15, 2, and 3 millimeters. I also draw a center line with a total length of 60 millimeters. Next, using the arc tool, I draw this circular segment with a radius of 6 millimeters and an outside-to-outside distance of 14 millimeters. I select the third type. A radius of 6 millimeters and a distance of 14 millimeters. To set this distance, I select the arc and the center line. Confirm the dimension, then select the dimension leaders. In the left-hand panel, I go to the Leaders tab and set arc condition to max. Then, I adjust the dimension to 14 millimeters. A length of 10 millimeters and a vertical line with a length of 1 millimeter. A horizontal dimension of 10 millimeters. Again, using the arc tool, I draw a quarter circle with a radius of 2 millimeters. Since this distance is 10 millimeters, and the quarter circle has a radius of 2 millimeters, the remaining distance automatically becomes 8 millimeters, and adding another dimension here would overdefine the sketch. I simply draw a quarter circle using the arc tool. These two are horizontal, and these two are vertical. A radius of 2 millimeters. The sketch is now fully defined, so there's no need to add the 8 millimeter dimension. Using the arc tool again, I draw an arc with a radius of 50 millimeters and a distance of 5 millimeters. Select the third type. (5 millimeters and a radius of 50 millimeters. Again, another circular segment with a radius of 2 millimeters and a distance of 6 millimeters. The distance is 6 millimeters, and the radius is 2 millimeters. And another circular segment with a radius of 9 millimeters. I connect this point to this one with a radius of 9 millimeters. To check which dimensions are still missing, I move the blue points in the sketch. As you can see, the center of this circle is moving. Upon checking the sketch, I notice the circle's center needs to be coincident with the center line. So I make this point coincident with this line. Moving the blue point again, I notice the circle's center is still not fixed. I can't find its dimension, so I set one manually to constrain it. I can also make these two vertical, which will fully define the sketch. Finally, I mirror the entire sketch. I press Ctrl-A and select the Mirror Entities command. So, this way, I've created this sketch as well.